Hello, this is Ryan Svilar, General Manager of PanelShop.com, and today's tutorial we're going to be covering how to build a combination starter using our online configurators. So as we've been starting from the beginning here on the home page, we can start building by clicking on the large orange button in the center of the screen. This is going to take us into our storefront where you can see the available configurators on the site. We're going to go ahead and select Combination Starter for today's example. After reviewing some of the summary information on this page, we can proceed to Price with Options, and that'll start our building process. Our first screen is going to ask us for our configured part number. We don't have one for this example, but if you had one from a previous purchase, you'd be able to enter it here and it would autofill the configuration to the exact specifications and options that you had selected for your previous purchase. But today we're going to go ahead and select no. For this example, we're going to build an ABB combination starter. So we're going to go ahead and select that as the manufacturer, and we'll select reversing, full voltage reversing as our series. We'll go ahead and have a NEMA rated starter and a voltage of 240. We'll just choose a random horsepower of 15 horsepower and our coil voltage as 120 separate control. For our enclosure type, we'll go ahead and use NEMA 12 as well as a fused disconnect option. Now our base selections have been completed, so we're moving on to the option selections as you see in this top tab here, which is first noted with our pilot device sizes. We're going to go ahead with 22 millimeter and our pilot light options. We'll just select a random one there, as well as our push button options. Now that completes all the selections that you have to make for your combination starter. On this page we can review some of the drawings that are being generated as your configuration is being put together. We have a general schematic available, as well as an enclosure detail. And the final drawing is the control image. Additional information on this page covers environmental parameters, as well as the summary information of all the selections that you've made down along the right side of the screen. If everything seems on par with what you've wanted to choose, you can go ahead and select the Finish button at that point. We're now in the shopping cart where our combination starter has been given a part number for the very first time, as you can see right here, as well as a price. We do have an estimated delivery of 3 to 4 weeks on this, and we can change the quantity if we needed more than one. You can note at the top of the page here that we can register for better pricing. We just did that entire build without actually being registered on PanelShop.com, so we were still able to get a lead time and a price, maybe for budgetary purposes, but if you wanted to actually proceed with a purchase, registering for a better price is definitely the way to go. That's all you have to do to build your combination starter on PanelShop.com. A few minutes, a few selections, and you have exactly what you need. Offering a wide range of products from multiple manufacturers, PanelShop.com provides user-configured solutions as well as custom-designed products. To find out more, visit PanelShop.com. Browse, build, buy.